Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move multiple apps at once on your iPhone. So when you're editing your phone, I know sometimes people will just move applications one by one. I used to do that. So you probably would just select this until like it jiggles, or whoops, not going to open the app. Edit home screen, and sometimes you would just select it and then place it to like another page like so, but you can actually like select that and select other apps. I don't know why it's not working. I think like my phone screen isn't working, but you're just going to select it and you're going to select other apps. There we go, using your other finger. It's just that my home screen isn't the best. Then you can drag all of them to another page and just like kind of paste it on there. So again, I will show you. Press one app, doesn't matter which one, and then select the other apps like this, and you can move it either to the right or to the left. Release, and as you can see, you've moved all of your applications at once. So that's pretty much what I do, and you can also, I guess, place it in folders, but they already have that on there. But you can, I still think you can put it in folders. I'm not sure if you can now. Maybe you need to do it here. I'm not sure. You can also add like widgets or like the calendar and stuff like that. Here you can add your recently played, add widget, and then you can place it there. I actually rarely use my home screen. I don't know why. I just use the application library, but if you would like to use your home screen and edit that, you can absolutely do that, and you can effortlessly rearrange your iPhone home screen by moving your applications all at once instead of just doing it one by one. I don't know if you can move widgets together. Let me actually see. Let me just select it and then press on the other apps. Oh, you can't do it with widgets, but you can do it with apps. You do have to move your widget like one by one. You can even like remove it like that. Just gonna move it here just to make it a little bit more aesthetic, but I honestly don't really use my home screen that much. You can also change the like thumbnails of your apps. Like sometimes apps will allow that, like Discord, but you need Nitro for it. Even like Just Dance, but you need VIP for it. Roblox, I'm not sure. I think you need to use like a shortcut to change the app thumbnail for it. But yeah, that is how you can effortlessly rearrange your iPhone home screen. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.